welcome. So I'm so excited to show you the new Shaker Club kit from Leslie at Leslie's Crafts and Gifts. I will link the Etsy store in the description box below. Do remember that I also sell through Leslie as well, so it is technically our little store, and you can tell so because of our lovely little sticker labels, L&J. Anyway, let me show you what this is in this kit, because I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really getting excited. I have my other new card. So this actually makes my 7th card, my 7th purchase through Leslie's Etsy shop. She did say that if you receive 10 of these cards, you will get 10% off your next purchase. So I am well on my way. Can't wait for that. So let me show you what is in this kit, and I've been so excited and looking forward to this one, because this one is about narwhals, and I love narwhals. They are so cute. Now, at the time of recording this video, there are only 2 kits left. I was really late getting this kit this time, and I actually thought I wasn't going to get it, and that would have made me really, really super sad, because once they're gone, they're gone. So they are really limited. You get a free gift, which I'm probably completely dazzling you all with now. It is these absolutely gorgeous flat back gems, and they're all different shapes. There's tear shapes, flowers, circles and domes and tear shapes. Absolutely gorgeous in all the different sizes. Oh, there's even like a, not a flower, but like a circle with frills. Scallop. And it comes in gorgeous blues, different shades of blues and greens as well. So what a lovely free gift. There is no add-ons this month, so I think that's why Leslie's popped in a free gift there, which is totally fine, not a problem. But you get 2 dies. So we've got 2 dies with the bunny kit, and then we're getting 2 dies this time. So we get 2 narwhals. We've got Mama and the baby, and of course there's 2 layering pieces because it's shakers. But if you're not into shakers, you can leave them flat. They do cut out flat as well. So you've got the back part, and then you've got the foam part, making part with the acetate is the same as the backing, and then the foam here. And it also cuts out this adorable little cute face as well, but that is optional if you want to stick that on. How adorable are those? I love them. They're so cute together. And then you get your shaker mix, and of course you can actually use this to shake mix in with other things like your sequins. So I actually have a pot here which is all made up of sequins, some foam, because I bought the foam shaker maker pieces, and also there's sprinkles in there. So they really do add to shakers so much, and you get a variety of different sizes for different projects. So you've got some larger balls here and some very small balls there. I love the colours, and there's actually different colour shapes in this. There's actually some blue dolphins. There's these little gorgeous starfish shaped ones in pink and orange, and then added a little bit of green in there for like the seaweed. And there's also like crystals in there, so there's white crystals and blue crystals. Absolutely gorgeous, and it comes in that packaging which just dazzles. And then we have the pattern paper, which is these gorgeous bubbles. I really love them, really cute. Get your acetate sheets, which is very important for shaker making. Some really good quality, I think it's 300 GSM card, and it's in this amazing turquoise colour. I love it so much. And then this is the foam board. Now this foam board is actually different to the foam board that I use in general. It doesn't have the sheet on top, so it cuts really, really smooth. And then also she does have these instructions, which I did have a little help in making these instructions. So yeah, absolutely amazing kit. Like I said, there's only 2 available. And so yeah, I will put the link to the Etsy shop. If you're interested, you need to get it now. And I think what I'm going to do is make a little shaker now. And here they are, little mama and little baba. Oh, adorable. And I couldn't resist sticking in a couple of my Halloween skeletal fish. I thought that was really funny. And I just added a couple of sequins in for the shine and sparkle. But, you know, I thought about it, I could have actually added these. I didn't think about that. But then I got these. So now what I want to do is just embellish it a little bit further. I'm just going to take some hot glue and these larger balls because they make awesome bubbles. And then you can just embellish it further. Let me just put those out. I love embellishing my die cut. Like I said, I am been super excited to play with this narwhal. This hot glue gun is quite hot, so I'm trying to avoid my finger. How cute is that looking already? And a couple here. This little baby. Let's put a couple of the small ones. I guess where his air hole will be. I think that was on the other side. And I did go ahead and put the happy faces on because I can't resist a happy face. They do look very happy indeed. Try and get some of them glue strings off. And there we have our cute, adorable narwhals. Let me get off my board so I can show you how cute they are. All embellished. So this is the new Shaker Club. And again, the link to the Etsy shop is in the description box below. So do go check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.